Are you tired of paying for AI APIs? Every request to ChatGPT or Claude costs money. And your data gets sent to the cloud. What if you could run AI completely free, on your own machine? Meet Ollama. Run LLaMA 3, Mistral, Gemma, and more directly on your PC. No API costs. No internet needed. Your data never leaves your machine. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Ollama? Think of it like Docker, but for AI models. Instead of pulling Docker containers, you pull language models. Ollama runs them directly on your CPU or GPU. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, where your data goes to the cloud, Ollama keeps everything local. No API costs, ever. Works completely offline. And it's 100% private. This is the future of AI for developers. Section 2. Installing Ollama takes literally 2 minutes. On Windows or Mac, download the installer from ollama.com, one click, done. On Linux, it's a single curl command. Ollama runs as a background service automatically. Once installed, pulling models is just like Docker. Run Ollama pull LLaMA 3 to download Meta's best open source model. Run Ollama pull Mistral for the fastest model. Then Ollama list to see all your local models. That's the entire setup. Section 3. Which model should you run? LLaMA 3 8 billion is your best all-rounder. 4.7 gigabytes, balanced speed and quality. Mistral 7B is the fastest, only 4.1 gigs and surprisingly smart. Got a low-end PC? Phi 3 Mini from Microsoft is only 2.3 gigabytes. Perfect for older hardware. Gemma 2 from Google at 5.5 gigs is extremely capable. And LLaMA is specifically trained for coding tasks. There's a model for every use case. Section 4. Ollama has a built-in REST API running on localhost port 11434. And here's the killer feature, it's OpenAI API compatible. That means you can use the same code you'd write for ChatGPT, just pointing to localhost. Post to API/generate for single responses. Post to API/chat for full conversations with message history. Add stream true to get real-time token streaming. Call it from curl, Python, C#, JavaScript, any language. Your local AI, accessible from anywhere. Section 5. Using Ollama in C# and .NET. Install the OllamaSharp NuGet package with .NET Add package OllamaSharp. Create an Ollama API client pointing to localhost 11434. Select your model, LLaMA 3, Mistral, whatever you've pulled. The coolest part is streaming. Create a chat instance, call send with your prompt, and use await for each to receive tokens as they arrive in real time. Your users see the AI typing just like ChatGPT. It works with semantic kernel too if you need advanced orchestration. Section 6. This is my favorite trick. Ollama is a drop-in OpenAI API replacement. In your existing .NET app, before you have OpenAI client with your API key costing money on every call. After, you just change the endpoint URL to localhost 11434/v1. Your entire codebase stays the same. Same methods, same response objects, same streaming patterns. Zero API costs during development. Test everything locally, then swap back to OpenAI or Claude for production. This alone saves hundreds of dollars a month. Section 7. Let's build a private RAG chatbot. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It makes AI answer from your documents. Step 1. Load your company documents. Step 2. Generate embeddings locally using the Nomic Embed Text model. No data leaves your machine. Step 3. Store those embeddings in a local vector database like ChromaDB or SQLite with vector extensions. Step 4. When a user asks a question, retrieve relevant context from your vector DB, then pass it to Ollama as context. Your AI now knows your private business data, completely offline. Section 8. Want a custom AI personality? Use a model file. It's like a Docker file but for AI models. Start with from LLaMA 3 to use it as the base. Add a system block to define its personality, make it a senior .NET developer, or a friendly customer support agent, whatever you need. Adjust temperature for creativity. 0.7 is a great starting point. Set top_P to control response variety. Then run Ollama create with your model name and model file path. Now you have your very own custom AI model running locally with the exact personality you defined. Section 9. Ollama versus OpenAI versus Claude. When should you use each? Use Ollama for development and testing, it's free and fast. Use it when you have sensitive or private data that can't leave your network. Perfect for offline environments or air-gapped systems. Section 10. 10 Pro Tips to get the most from Ollama. Tip 1. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, run NVIDIA-SME to check it. Ollama automatically uses your GPU for 5 to 10 times faster generation. Tip 2. Use quantized models. The Q4_0 versions are 40% smaller and nearly as smart. Tip 3. Set your context window with number-CTX 8192 for longer conversations. Use model files for consistent system prompts across your team. These 5 tips alone will transform your experience. And that's Ollama. Your AI. Your machine. Your privacy. Run LLaMA 3, Mistral, Gemma, and dozens more models completely free. No API costs. No data sent to the cloud. Works offline. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI engineering tutorials. Comment below, which model are you going to run first? LLaMA 3 or Mistral? See you in the next one.